Welcome, quizzers and coaches, to the JBQ Quiz Talk podcast. Here's your host, Dan Anderson.
All right, good morning. A quick tech tip, and I do mean quick. Let's say you open up your EZScore and the question point value line, these lines right here with the white, green, and yellow. Let's say they're all white, meaning they're all 10-point questions, or the questions don't exactly match up with the question sets that were printed. Although that can be a little bit disconcerting for you or your scorekeepers, it is a pretty easy fix. So you would just go up here to the right-hand corner where you can see the point values. And then as you progress through, you'll see how that box changes. And then the blue box that's highlighted around the point value changes as you go through. Well, if I want to go ahead and alter this to match my my question set, printed question sets, then you can do that by one of two ways. You can actually do it in the meet, or you can do it right before the quiz match starts. And so if all of a sudden I go to question number 2 and it's not a 30, it's actually a 20, all I have to do is check the 20-point value and it'll change. Now, here's the terrifying thing, the error message, right? This error message is just simply telling you that all of a sudden you have 8 20-point questions instead of the more standard 7 20-point questions. So anytime you change the point values out and it messes with the standard setup, then you're going to get that error message. As soon as I fix it, let's change this one in question number 11. I just clicked on it to a 10. The error message should go away, except maybe I messed up somewhere. So if I go down here and just pick, I just picked question 11 and change it back to a 30, or change it to a 30-point question, you'll see that error message goes away. Like I said, there's more than one way you can move through with the button up here on the right-hand corner that changes the question number. And you can go backwards with the arrow button that shows backwards, or you can simply click on it and hit the number that you want. So it's a pretty simple fix. Don't panic. Appreciate all you do for Bible Quiz. Have a great day, and thank you for working with kids.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.